Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe is a pioneer in wireless home security. It's engineered to deliver robust, whole home protection, and yet it's surprisingly simple to install and use. More than 1 million homes and over 100,000 businesses are protected by SimpliSafe. Our award-winning systems are made up of an arsenal of sensors, sirens, smart locks, and cameras that blend seamlessly into any style and size home and help protect every inch of it. And it's all backed by professional monitoring, a team of individuals who are trained to keep you and your family safe by ensuring emergency responders get to your home quickly when you need them most. At SimpliSafe, our goal is simple: to make sure you always feel safe by keeping you safe.
SimpliSafe on.
This is Jason.
What's up?
Jason's not your regular guy. He's a 9-to-5 data quality assurance specialist, but he doesn't like to brag about his accomplishments. Jason's got a lot going for him. He's got beautiful kids and family, a car, power tools. He's got a vintage collection of original Spider-Man comic books. These things mean something to Jason, so he protects them with a Wyze home monitoring system. He puts the Wyze contact sensors on doors and windows, so he knows when they open and close. Wyze motion sensors detect unexpected movement. He's got a few extra cameras to keep an eye on things. Now Jason can see anything.
I can see everything.
When the family is out for the day, he arms his system. When he sleeps at night, he arms the outside. If someone breaks in, it sounds the alarm and sends Jason a notification. If you don't respond or don't know who has entered the house, the agent sends the police. His family is safe. His car is safe. His collection is safe. Jason gets all this for $5 a month. No long-term contracts, no sales guides, just straightforward, simple, and reliable home security for everyone. There's no more excuses not to have a security system. $5 per month from Wyze.
Don't miss the details and know more about what's happening at your home or office from anywhere. For minimal cost to you, Arlo Smart is an affordable way to add more peace of mind to your life. Get added protection that saves precious time that could make the difference in an emergency situation. With Arlo Smart, you can customize notifications, easily select from a variety of alert types, including people, vehicles, animals, and even packages, while also reducing ones that are less important to you. Arlo's rich notification feature allows you to react quickly if a person doesn't look familiar to you. Simply hold your finger on the alert to get a better view. From there, you can choose to call a friend, dial emergency services, or even sound the siren. You can even mute reoccurring notifications, such as when your kids are playing in the backyard. Enable package detection to notify when a package is delivered at your door. Arlo Smart also alerts you when vehicles park in front of your home or in your driveway. And animal detection alerts you when your pets sneak out or if an animal comes into your yard. Gain additional peace of mind knowing that Arlo Smart stores your recorded clips for 30 days, so you can look back at past events and share clips with friends and family. You can also pinch and zoom in on a video to see clear details in up to 4K video resolution. You can create activity zones, and now only receive notifications for the activity that happens within the zone you created. So you won't be alerted for motion that you don't care about, such as when a tree branch is blowing in the wind, or when your neighbor returns home. So which plan is best for you? Choose how many Arlo cameras you want to enable with Arlo Smart. The single camera plan is best if you only have one camera. And the multi-camera plan supports up to 5 cameras. If you have Arlo cameras that support up to 2K video or less, you'll want to pick the Smart Premier plan. If your cameras support up to 4K video, you'll want the Smart Elite plan so you can watch recorded videos at the highest possible resolution. It's just that simple. So confidently protect what matters most to you, anytime, anywhere. Subscribe to Arlo Smart today and get ultimate peace of mind.